She was a fine woman, worked hard all the time, cooking, cleaning, running around, trying to be alright. Went through hell, old man put her through hell. With a drink and such, she never swayed no lie. Tried hard all the time. She believed in the Lord, and her hard day's work for sure. She never told me anything negative about me and mine. Hers no. Family first, she said. We holler our names at supper time. Make you clean your plate. For her food, more than good. Never ran away from a job. Oh, she tried so hard. She sure wouldn't put up with no baloney. She loved her soap. She really loved her soap. Boy, she had a thing or two to say about the soul stage. Simple lady didn't want much. Never got much sleep. I know I fell through hell. Had my share of hard times with her. But she was saying she finally found peace. Sure like to hear a jaybird sing. Jaybird sing. Song she like to hear. If you think about it, you'll remember how it feels. Soft and hard thing. Was the kind of soul fire. He's a pig. He's a pig. As jaybirds sing. As a jaybird sing a song for her. Oh, a jaybird sure misses her song. Hear her sing.